Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create AI video for free using Pippit AI. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to go to Pippit AI website and you can sign into this website to earn free credits. I've already earned credits guys, so I can use the credits to create something using this Pippit AI. Okay, and I'm going to create AI video. You can use the video generator feature and you can tell me something, you can tell the AI something that you want to create. You can add your prompt here and you can choose the setting. For the video, I'm going to choose this aspect ratio. Okay, and for the mode, I'm just going to use the standard, the free one. Once you're done adding your prompt and setting the video, you can click on this icon and you need to confirm and hold on guys. Okay, and the video is ready. This is the result. Let me play it.
In a corner of the world where magic is real, dreams take flight on gossamer wings, and every path is lit by the glow of wonder. Believe.
And if you want to download it, you can click on the download icon, the download option. Okay guys, and that's how we can create AI video using Pippit AI for free. You can try it by yourself, and if you want to join Pippit AI, you can click my link on the YouTube description. Okay, thank you so much for watching and bye.